Do plants also breathe? Of course they do. They are also living. They also need energy, so they need oxygen. But their organ system is not like that of animals. Here they have small apertures or tiny apertures which are called stomata. These stomata are surrounded by kidney shaped cells, the guard cells. The space between the guard cells is the tiny aperture which is called stomata. So, it is through this that air rich in oxygen goes in, and it is through this that carbon dioxide rich air is given out. Have you ever experienced this, that you, out of your enthusiasm or due to rain, you excessively watered a plant? You thought the plant will blossom, but actually it died. Why? Because you see, the roots also breathe, and they breathe from the soil. There are gaps in the soil particles, and these gaps are filled with air, that is oxygen, and this is used by roots. But if there is excessive water, then we say the soil is waterlogged or water clogged. So, the air is expelled out of the soil and the roots are not able to breathe and no energy, so the plant starts dying. So, the roots also breathe. Breathe oxygen found between the soil particles. So, through today's discussion, you have learned how important breathing is, and especially oxygen. How we should breathe? Of course, we should breathe through nose, because nose has hair which filters air and does not let pollutants or the dust particles enter our body system. Although in some places where there are more pollens or dust, it does enter our lungs and it can cause breathing problems. So, it is very important that how you breathe and what kind of air you breathe, and that is why it is important that our air should be clean, unpolluted, because otherwise we will not get the right amount of oxygen. There will be pollutants entering along with air and causing us many respiratory diseases, and there can be allergies and cause diseases like asthma, bronchitis and so on. So, it is also important to have unpolluted air. It is also important to breathe through nose and not through mouth, so that clean air enters our body, and it is also important that if we are running or doing any physical exercise, then of course our breathing rate will automatically increase. Through breathing rate also doctors come to know whether you are having any problem or any disease or not. So, breathing rate itself is also very important. So, these are the various areas of respiration and breathing. This time it is not only the system, the organs we have discussed, we have also discussed the mechanism of breathing, why is it important and what all precautions we need to take.